Hello smart civil engineers, I'm Engineer Masroor and you are watching your own YouTube channel Engineering Network. Dear friends, I'm back with another very important video. So in this video lecture, I will teach you about how to find number of stirrups in RCC beam. Okay? So this is very important for all fresh civil engineers and diploma holders, and I will show you the whole process using a very simple formula, and after watching this video completely you will easily calculate number of stirrups in beam. Okay? So before we start, I request you that please like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for daily interesting civil engineering videos. So let's start. Okay, so the topic for today's video lecture is how to find number of stirrups in RCC beam. Now let's suppose I have a reinforcement plan of an RCC beam, as you can see on your screen, right? Now according to this plan, it is a simply supported beam with two columns at both ends as the support, right? The length of this beam is 8 meter, and if you look at the reinforcement of this beam, it has 4 main bars of 16 millimeter dia. Now these vertical lines here, these are basically stirrups whose diameter is 12 millimeter at 200 millimeter center to center distance, which means that the distance between two stirrups is 200 millimeter, right? And we have to find that how many stirrups are required for this RCC beam, right? So this is the reinforcement detailing of this beam, and I hope you guys would understand up till now. Now if you still have any question or confusion, then you can ask me in the comment section as well. Okay? Now let's find out the number of stirrups required for this RCC beam. So the formula is number of stirrups is equal to length of beam divided by spacing between stirrups plus 1. Okay? Now in my previous video about the calculation of ties in RCC column, I have briefly explained why we add this 1 in the formula. So please watch that video on my YouTube channel. You will also find the link in the description of this video as well. So the length of this RCC beam is 8 meter and the spacing between two stirrups is 200 millimeter, which is equal to 0.2 meter. Okay? So now let's put these values in the above formula. So after putting these values and doing simple calculations, we have got the number of stirrups for this RCC beam, which is equal to 41. So now I can say that for this 8 meter long RCC beam, I will need to provide 41 number of stirrups, which have a center to center distance of 200 millimeter. Okay? So this is how you can easily find out number of stirrups in any type of RCC beam. Now here let me give you guys a homework as well. So please note down your homework. How many stirrups we will need to provide for an RCC beam whose length is 25 feet and spacing between stirrup is 6 inches. So this is a very simple and easy homework, and please share your answers with me in the comment section. Okay? So dear friends, I hope you will find this video informative. So please like this video, share it and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more daily interesting civil engineering videos. See you guys in the next video.